Wow, look at my new t-shirt. Oh my gosh, I have the same one. Look at my new shirt. Don't you know that long sleeve shirts are in and tank tops are out? Oh, well, that won't be a problem. Hi! Welcome to Delightfully Dolls, where our dolls are small and our hearts are big. Today, we will be making doll long sleeve t-shirts using a needle and thread or fabric glue, a highlighter to mark our material, our pattern, which we'll show you how to make, our material, which we wanted to use a navy blue color, as well as a pair of scissors. But remember, scissors can be evil, so have an adult tame them for you. So, we'll start by taking our pattern, but first you actually have to have one. So I'll show you how I made this pattern. So I took my doll and laid her out, making sure her arms were as flat as they possibly could be, and I could measure how long I wanted the sleeves. So I got her wrist here, and that'll be the shoulder area. And now this is the waist. And you can make it really small if you want it to be slim, but I made mine a bit bigger, especially to leave space for after I sew. So now, you would do the same thing on the other side by drawing this all out on paper, but make sure when you do this part, you draw it larger and leave a cut leading up to the neckline so that you have space to sew it together at the end. And that will be the next spot. So after you've created your pattern, you're going to want to try it on your doll. Just push the neck over, and now take the sleeves and line them up so you can see about what your shirt will look like. So mine is about a good size. Now we take our pattern away and move on to the next step. So you're going to take your material and lay it out flat. And may I say, I just love this color. Like, is anyone else obsessing over this blue, or is it just me? I mean, I don't know. But take your pattern now and lay it onto your material. Now take your highlighter or your marker, pen, whichever, and start to draw out where your material, where your pattern is. Make sure you can actually see your marker or your pen on the material, because if you can't, you won't know where to cut. Now do this all the way around. After drawing all the way around your pattern, you're going to cut using your pair of scissors. So just take your pattern away and follow along the lines you drew. Alrighty, so now we finished making, I can't speak. Okay, we finished cutting out our material. Yeah, and so we're going to sew. But first, we fold our fabric in half to line up the sleeves and the waist. Now, what you're going to do is sew or glue from the wrist down to the waist on both sides. After you've sewn down both sides, you're going to want to sew up the back of your shirt. I'm going to use a straight stitch just as I have for the other sides, or you can use your fabric glue. Now I've finished sewing all the way around the sides and at the back, so now it's time to turn it inside out. Now slide it onto your doll to have the perfect doll long sleeve shirt. Now you can make this in different colors, and you can also hem the collar if you want it to be a more clean edge, but we just left it raw to keep it a simple craft. Now, before we end this video, we just want to give a quick holler to our cousins and our sister. Thanks for loving our videos and always watching. Now, our craft is complete and our time has been sweet. But now that we're done, come back for more fun. See ya! Did you hear about that new ride coming out? It's totes cool. Now what are you wearing? A long sleeve t-shirt. And guess what? Dark colors are in and light colors are out. Hold up. Wait, I need one. Where did you get it? Hey, I need it too. But also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at delightfully_dolls. See you later.